Okay. So last class we studied about the average speed and average velocity definition. Average speed is total distance by total time taken. Average velocity is total displacement by total time taken. That one we learned, right? So today we are learning the numericals based on the average velocity and average speed का. तो स्पेशल केसेस याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑलवेज फॉलो टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन फॉर एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला में. ओके, चलो. So
Yes.
numericals we are seeing. A car covers 2 by 5th of the total distance with speed v1 and 3/5 of the distance with v2. Then average speed is how much? So what is saying? A, B. He covered 2 by 5th of the total distance. Total distance मान लो x. X is a total distance. If the object cover 2 by 5th of the total distance, मतलब कितना distance travel किया? 2 by 5 of x distance travel किया with v1 speed and remaining 3 by 5 fifth of the total
V2 speed.
distance v2 speed. In this case में is telling to find average speed. Find करो. Average speed means like in एक एक जगह में कितना कितना distance travel किया by total time taken, right? So average speed का formula है total distance by
By total
total
time.
time taken. ये तो हमेशा we have to use. Total distance is how much from A to C?
1.
No, x we took, right? X is total distance.
Yeah.
X by total time taken, but time is not given.
V1 plus V2.
v1 plus v2. Time
Yeah.
चाहिए. Time कैसा आएगा? This is
Uh,
distance,
Distance per time.
speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So इस journey का time क्या है? Distance by speed. So 2 by 5x by speed is v1 plus इसका time taken कितना होगा?
3
3
by
by
5
5
divided
by
by V2.
v2. now solve करो and find in terms of v1 v2 में आएगा आंसर. So x कॉमन लिया तो 2 by 5 v1 plus 3 by 5 v2 x. So x का cancel. So 5 भी बाहर ले लो, हो जाएगा. So क्या होगा? इसमें एलसीएम ले लो. 1 by 5 if I take outside, 2 by v1 plus 3 by v2. So if I ऊपर जाएगा 5 and what is LCM? v1 v2 2 v2 plus 3 v1. This is the answer.
Like if they give the values of V1, V2, then we can solve it.
Substitute values come, but generally variables में क्यों कर रहे हैं? This is equal to nearly 10 problems. Any numbers we can solve.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. So always this definition आ गया तो कोई भी केस कर सकते हैं. Total distance, total displacement by total time taken. Average speed पूछा ना, that's why total distance by total time taken I took. Okay.
Okay.
Answer बोलो इसका. A car accelerated from initial position and then return to the initial point. Then what will happen? Options are there.
Velocity is 0, but speed increases.
Why speed is increasing?
Because distance is covered more, so speed will
Huh?
increase, but
Distance
displacement is 0.
distance covered more क्या है? Distance cover है तो speed increases. हाँ? I will cover slow by slow distance, बहुत time में distance cover करूंगा. इसमें क्या है?
No, like the distance with the car traveled divided by the time, increasing time.
No, that is not the thing. Velocity is zero क्यों? वो तो मालूम है ना?
Because displacement is 0.
Zero. Okay. Then why the speed increasing? he told this sentence, देखो, car
Accelerate.
accelerates whenever acceleration come into picture, the speed will increase. So जाकर आएगा, speed goes on increasing. That's why this one.
Okay.
Okay. ऐसा नहीं कि ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर किया टाइम में, ऐसा नहीं. Always accelerate means speed increases. So this is answer. Next. A man walks on a straight road from his home to market 2.5 kilometers away. So this is home. This is market. कितना किलोमीटर दूर में? 2.5 kilometers दूर में. In how many? What is the speed? 5 kilometers per hour से he is going. Finding the market close. Market close है. He instantly turn and walks back to home with a speed of, while coming, the speed they given
7
as
point.
7.5 kilometers per hour. Average speed of the man of the whole interval 0 to 40 minutes. Total 40 minutes. Total time taken is 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
He's asking average speed is asking. Mental options. Which one is right? You want average speed over the interval in 0 to 40 minutes. Hmm. So what is the formula we know? Average speed is total distance by total
Total
time
time.
taken. Hmm. Okay. Distance कितना लेगा total distance?
2.5 kilometer only.
2.5
2.5
kilometers.
plus 2.5.
Okay, but he is telling that average speed of the man over the interval 0 to 40 minutes. He is not telling that total time taken is 40, right?
Yeah.
We don't know, right? First of all, time check करेंगे. मतलब whether he came to in this 40 minutes में whether he came to home और बीच में हो गया, पता नहीं ना, right?
Yeah.
So
By
आपको क्या
using
करने
the
का?
speed, no, we can find out. No?
What?
By using the speed, we can find out.
हाँ. How to find time? Tell me first. इसका इन दोनों का जाने time कितना लगा?
Half an hour. Half an hour.
हाफ एन आवर टाइम मतलब हमें मिनट्स में दिया ना.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. T is equal to speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So 2.5 by 5. So this 0.5 1 by 2 30 minutes. मतलब
Yeah.
जाने से हमें 30 minutes लगा. मतलब टोटल 40 minutes लगा मीन्स कितना तक आ गया है? He came to home in how many minutes? While going 30 minutes लगा.
Yeah.
Right? While
Yeah.
coming total time taken is 40 minutes. So while coming how many minutes में आ गया?
Uh,
नहीं, see, total 40 minutes लगा, right?
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes तक he walked. He don't know whether he came to home or not, we don't know, right?
Yeah.
So distance calculate करो इधर 10 minutes में.
Okay.
Whether distance is 2.5 then no problem. Okay. So 10 minutes में कितना distance travel ये speed में गए तो कितना distance travel किया होगा? Speed equal to distance by time, distance equal to speed in time. So speed is 7.5 kilometers per hour into time is 10 by
So
60,
10
right?
divided by 60. Yeah.
तो कितना होगा?
6,
7.5 by 6 कैलकुलेट करो.
1.2.
1.2 वो 1.2 हो, डेसिमल तक
Yeah.
आएगा देखो. 7 I can write as 75 by 10 into 60. So 5 12
1
ja
point.
5
Okay.
5 5
75 by 60 only. 7.5 by 6.
Oh no, so 7.5 by 6 को 75 by 60 I can write, right?
Yeah.
I'm cancelling. कितना होगा? 1 point
5 by 3. 1.24.
25.
1.25.
हाँ 1.25 है मतलब पूरा बोलने का मतलब वेदर विद इन 10 minutes में ही ट्रैवल टू होम.
No.
नो ओके ही इज कमिंग टू होम बट ही इज नॉट टेलिंग दैट ही रीच्ड होम ऐसा नहीं है. सो
Yeah.
जाके 10 minutes में इतना है. नो कैलकुलेटेड टोटल डिस्टेंस हाउ मच टेल मी नाउ. while going 2.5, while coming how much distance traveled?
2.5 plus 1.2.
1.25 by total time taken while going how many minutes and while coming total time is 40, right?
40. Yeah.
40 and by 60, right?
Yeah.
This also minutes, right? Now
Uh,
calculate. Tell answer.
uh,
In fraction में बोल सकते हो, no problem.
no.
Simplify and tell in fraction.
11.25 by 2.
मतलब why 11.5 to 2.5 plus 1.25 is how much?
3.75.
3.75 by 2 to the 4 2 to the 6. So into 3 by 2.
By 2.
हाँ कितना होगा?
So that will come 11.25 by 2.
हाँ ठीक है 11.25 by 2. 15 and 1 11.2 11.25 by 2 is the answer. So it is meters per second. Kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
So देखो data will not be given completely. See that 9th class में क्या है? Total distance देगी, total time देगी, just upshoot. But
Yeah.
इसमें थोड़ा अलग से देगा. In the special cases देगी, इतना आधा टाइम में इतना गया, दूसरा आधा टाइम में कितना गया, ऐसा पूछेगा. So this diagram is important. If you learn this diagram how to write based on sentence, then finished हो जाएगा. Okay.
Okay.
No करो. Easy. A train has
Yeah.
speed of 60 kilometers per hour for the first 1 hour and 40 kilometers per hour for the next half an hour. Find the average speed in kilometers per hour and tell the answer.
Yes. No.
A train has speed of 60 kilometers per hour for first 1 hour and B2C next half an hour the speed is 40 kilometers per hour. You're asking average speed. Find करो.
Sir, I'm getting 60.
Options.
One minute. Calculation is wrong.
आराम से करो.
Sir, 80 by 1.5.
Options. Which option is right?
Option D.
करेक्ट करो आराम से करो. रॉन्ग. डेसिमल निकाल दो. ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई 100/10 ऐसा करके कुछ करके सिंप्लीफाई करो नीटली आंसर सेल में. आंसर लास्ट में रॉन्ग आए तो कैसे सेटल में. टोटल डिस्टेंस पे टोटल टाइम टेकन. डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच.
60 plus 20 divided by 1.5.
सो 80 by 1.5 को
1.5.
3/2 करना, राइट. No solve.
53.33.
हाँ मरे। So, देखो डी आ गया, मतलब उसमें उससे नियरली सम 20,000 रैंक पीछे चले जाएगा। एक मिस्टेक विल चेंज योर लाइफ। सो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल प्रिसाइज में आंसर्स करेक्ट बोलने का। इसलिए थोड़ा पेशेंस के साथ थोड़ा डिवाइड करना सीखो, मल्टीप्लाई करना सीखो थोड़ा। तो, ओके चलो।
Okay.
A person completes half of its journey with speed v1 and rest half with v2, the average speed. This one stand formula only. Tell me.
Yeah, B,
Why?
Because like,
Solve करो। Remaining half distance with speed v2. So he's telling to find average speed. Solve करके बोलो।
yeah, V1 by D by 2, V2 by D by 2.
v1 plus क्या total distance how much? See average speed find करो। Total distance by total time taken। वो definition से हटने का नहीं है। Total distance is d by total time taken। Speed equal distance by time, time equal distance by speed। So distance by
D,
2v1 plus
V1 plus
distance by
B
2v2।
by 2 V2.
So d common,
D cancel
d by
out. So
d by
2,
2 if you take common, 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2। So
so 2 will
2
go up and then it will come to.
नीटली लिख लो।
Yeah.
फिर से एग्जाम टाइम में आपको रिवीजन करने के लिए नोटबुक ओनली विल हेल्प। दूसरा कोई भी
Yeah,
एंड
sure.
आई आई प्लेस द वर्कशीट आल्सो। आई प्लेस द वर्कशीट ऑफ
Yes, sir.
काइनेमेटिक्स।
Yes, sir.
नीटली एक सेपरेट बुक रखो वर्कशीट्स के लिए। पूरा दूंगा वर्कशीट्स का, ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक का दूंगा। आराम से स्पेस छोड़ता जाओ। अगर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अगेन सेकंड टाइम थर्ड टाइम यू डू आंसर शीट आल्सो विल पुट आफ्टरवर्ड्स।
Okay, sir.
डन ना?
Yes, sir. Done.
यस। नो करो। यू ओनली डू एंड car moving on a straight road covers one third of the distance with 20 meters kilometers per hour and rest with 60 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed. So, man, a car covers One third the distance. Total distance is x ले लो. One third the distance means 1 by 3x with 20 kilometers per hour.
20 km/h.
Remaining distance is how much?
2/3.
2 by 3x with 60 kilometers per hour. Almost all.
1 minute.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, in the first one third interval, the time is x by 20.
X by 20.
No,
X
sorry,
by 3.
20x/3.
आपको व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला टाइम का? टाइम
What
का
distance
फॉर्मूला.
upon speed?
हाँ, डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड. हाँ ना.
Yeah,
एक्स बाई 3.
20x/3.
नहीं, ऐसा क्यों? देखो, डिस्टेंस इज एक्स इंटू वन एक्स बाई 3 बाई स्पीड. स्पीड इज 20. कुछ नहीं तो बाई 1 लिखो. ओके. रेसिप्रोकल किया तो क्या होगा? एक्स बाई 60. So got it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nothing.
sir.
Fraction by fraction should be there. Then only reciprocal you have to do.
Yeah, yeah. The other one is x by 90.
मेरे पूरा बोल दे तो आंसर थोड़ी ना बोलेगा यार. एक तो करो.
1 minute. One. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
So total distance is x by total time taken. X by 60. 2x by 180, right?
Sir, 46 2/3.
46 2 by 3. Right? Explain.
Uh, like if we take common,
What common will take?
x and x will get cancelled.
Okay. So what is left? 1 by 60 plus 1 by 90.
Yeah, and
And
then
then
LCM
LCM is how much?
180.
180. So 60, 90. So 30 if it go. So कितना होगा? 180. ठीक है. Next.
180. And then
Here,
Uh,
how
3,
much?
2,
3
3
plus
plus 2 by
2,
180.
180 ऊपर आएगा.
Yeah, 180 by 5.
How much 180 by 5? 42 by 3, हाँ?
Fif-
मतलब क्या है यार? इस आंसर.
30,
और
30.
लास्ट में मिस्टेक करोगे देन ओनली मार्क्स चले जाएगा. पीपल विल एक दिन कॉल करेगा मतलब सर एक्चुअली वाई डोंट नो वाई इज लूजिंग అంటే इधर ही लास्ट तक आएगा. प्रैक्टिस चाहिए इस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक्स को प्रैक्टिस
Sir,
चाहिए.
in exam also, my sir, like, we have to do the working in the question paper and then they'll take the question paper.
हम्म.
So like when I got my result, my sir told me that you're doing a lot of silly mistakes. Like in a hurry, you're doing
हाँ,
everything wrong.
वो पूरा निकलने के लिए आपको फुल फ्लेज का प्रैक्टिस करने का. सी ये आई एम सीइंग फ्रॉम सो मेनी ईयर 15 ईयर से देख रहा हूँ. द पर्सन्स हु इन्वॉल्व सो मच मतलब ಈಗ वो लाइफ है आपका बोले तो ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन करके 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 अंडरस्टैंड करके माइंड में लगा के रिवाइज कर शॉर्ट नोट्स कैसा भी फॉर्मल शीट दे रहा हूँ. थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा है तो उसमें ऐड करने का. देन ऐसा करने वाला कोई आएगा रैंक. सो आपको थोड़ा
Yeah.
फुल कोशिश करो. मिस्टेक्स है हो ठीक है बट इनिशियल स्टार्टिंग स्टेज है ना यू शुड कवर रिकवर हो जाएगा. सो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस से निकल जाएगा. इसलिए वर्कशीट होने दो. माय मॉड्यूल होने दो. गो ऑन डूइंग ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. उसमें बहुत सारा मीनिंग है ऊपर से देखने से ऐसा नहीं है. इफ यू गो ऑन डूइंग क्वेश्चंस नहीं आए तो वन क्लास लेंगे लेके विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस एवरीथिंग मॉड्यूल्स में पूरा. ओके.
Okay. Yeah.
सो पूरा करने का नेक्स्ट. See, why this many questions I'm giving in this way because if your PVQs, if you see so many questions came, so many questions will be coming in these topics. Mein. Okay,
Yes.
चलो करो. Easy. Answer will be in fraction. Find the fraction. A train travels city A to B at constant speed 10 meters per second and return back with constant speed 20 meters per second. Find the average speed of the entire journey.
Sir, 30 by 2.
30 by 2. Why? Tell me. A
Sorry,
to B,
one
how
minute.
much speed they went? 10 meters per second. While coming, 20
20.
meters per second. Distance same or not? XX, right?
Yeah.
What is the average speed formula? Total distance by total time
Total
taken. Total distance how much?
x plus x 2x.
2x by total time taken is how much? While going time taken is?
10 by x.
Super.
X by 10. X by 10. X by 10. X
X by 10 plus.
by plus x by 20.
नो एलसीएम लेना नहीं आ रहा है करो अच्छे से. टेल में आंसर रॉन्ग.
1 minute. X by 3. 40 by 3.
मरी समथिंग यू टोल्ड. आंसर कैलकुलेशन मत करो. नेक्स्ट. थोड़ा हार्ड क्वेश्चंस कर रहा हूँ करो. क्वेश्चन शुड राइट
Yes, sir. Yes.
particles covers half of the journey with constant speed v and half of the remaining part of the journey with speed 2v and rest of the journey with this much average speed of the entire journey. Total distance को I took as x ले लो. So exactly half of the journey मतलब x by 2 distance में he went with speed v and the half of the remaining part is x by 2 right totally. इसका आधा मीन्स x by 4 डिस्टेंस में बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी रिमेनिंग पार्ट का हाफ is speed 2v and rest x by 4 will be speed is 4v. Now in this case me is trying to find the value of average speed. ये नहीं किया ना आप हाफ ऑफ x by 4 नहीं किया ना. Now find average speed. Average speed is total distance by total time taken. Total distance is x by well जाने से हमें टाइम कितना है डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड राइट x by 2 by v 2v प्लस इसका टाइम कितना है इतना टाइम एंड इतना टाइम कितना होगा here to here time is what distance by speed right distance is
X by 4v and
by
by
2v
8.
so it is x by 8v okay plus इधर x by 4 plus 4 16v तो मेरे
16v.
हाँ ना करो
Yes, sir.
now take common yes कॉमन में x निकल जाएगा 1 by
8 plus 2 plus 1.
हाँ कितना होगा करो 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2
16v by 11. V is equal to 11 by 16.
11 by 16 v yes oh 16 by 11 v this answer 16 by 11 v
Yes.
आया सो देखो ये
Yes, sir. Yes.
लिखना आने का आपको ये लिखना आ गया है तो देन इजीली यू कैन सॉल्व ये लिखना हाफ ऑफ द डिस्टेंस रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस मींस आप हाफ बोले तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा है ना करो a point transfers half the distance with velocity v naught. The remaining part of the distance was covered with v1 for half of the time and velocity v2 for other half of the time. Time में half है. So what is saying? A, B, C. So point transfers a half of the distance. So x मान लो half of the distance with velocity v naught. So v naught is the velocity, x by 2 is the distance. The remaining part of the distance, मतलब remaining part of the distance में the distance covered with velocity v1 for half the time. इसका time total time
T
मान
by
लो
2.
t. इधर से इधर तक टाइम t मान लो इधर से इधर तक ओनली इधर
Yeah.
इधर से टाइम t1 मान लो इधर ओके सो इधर t by 2 टाइम में स्पीड कितना है v1
1
एंड रिमेनिंग हाफ ऑफ द टाइम में स्पीड
T by
v2
v2.
एवरेज स्पीड चाहिए
1 minute.
टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन टोटल डिस्टेंस तो x है इधर टाइम कितना है distance by speed. So x by 2 v naught plus इधर टाइम मालूम है आपको t/2 right?
Yeah.
But in terms of distance में चाहिए time t in terms of distance x में चाहिए because then only we can add right
Yeah.
here. हाँ so कैसा आएगा देखो ये total distance is how much from here to here b to c.
X/2.
Distance is equal to speed into time plus speed in time. I can write like this. Same or not?
Yeah.
Total distance equals speed time, speed time. Okay. So 2 get cancelled. 2, 2, 2. So from this x is equal to t if I take common v1 plus v2. So total time taken is x by v1 plus v2. Right?
Yeah.
So इधर से इधर तक टाइम आ गया ये टाइम चाहिए टाइम इन टर्म्स ऑफ x में x by v1 plus v2
Okay.
खत्म x कैंसिल हो जाएगा सो 1/2 v naught plus 1/v1 plus v2 इधर तक की कर लियो इज आंसर समझ में आ रहा है सो
Yes, sir.
यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल ये लिखना आने का दिस इज अ वे थिंग नाउ आई विल गिव जेईई मेंस क्वेश्चंस यू विल अंडरस्टैंड
Sir, can you explain like after t is equal to x by v1 plus v2?
t is equal to x by 1 plus v2 right what is the
Yeah.
formula total distance by total time
Total
taken
distance by total time. Yeah.
total distance is how much
X.
x by total time taken. From here to here, time taken is how much? Speed, you
X
know,
by.
distance, you know.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So x by
Yeah, I
2
got
v.
it.
Either time को in terms of this one आ गया ना? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Copy down it. अभी जेई में क्वेश्चंस करेंगे समझ में आएगा आपको सो दिस ऑल क्वेश्चंस देखो सो में क्वेश्चंस वी आर डूइंग व्हाई बिकॉज आपको परफेक्ट हो जाएगा एंड वर्कशीट भी क्या तो हो जाएगा कॉपी
Done,
द
sir.
चलो नाउ जेई में क्वेश्चंस करो एंड टेल आंसर्स नाउ यू शुड से टेल एंड हेल्प 4 a vehicle covers 4 kilometers in 3 kilometers per hour and another 4 kilometers with this much find average speed easy कर
Sir, two.
अरे जे मींस क्वेश्चन अच्छे से करो यार and another 4 kilometers with 5 kilometers per hour find average speed total distance is 8 इधर उल्टा लिखेगा मेरे ख्याल से always doing mistake time is equal to distance by speed right
Yeah. 4/3 plus 4/5.
no solve
Sir, two answer.
wrong
What?
अच्छे से करो मरे इसलिए तो बोलो ना take LCM nicely multiply so 15 means 20 plus 12 by 15 ऊपर तो 15 So 8 into 15 by 32. 8 4 is 32.
15 by 4.
Decimal 4 3 is 12. 3
3
0 4 7
point.
28. 2 0 4 5 0 20. So 3.75 meters kilometers per hour. మరి 2 बोलते कैसे सेटल में
Sir,
ये
I took decimal, like LCM as 8, sir, by mistake.
ओके चलो करो A particle moving in a straight line covers half the distance with speed 6 meters per second and half the distance covered with two equal intervals with this much, find the average speed. Easy. A, B. Okay, C level. So total distance is X. He's sharing what? Half the distance with speed 6 kilometers per hour. So half the distance he went with 6 meters per second. And half of the distance is covered with two equal intervals. And remaining half of the distance, two equal intervals में time t, time t. With 9 meters per second, दूसरा क्या है? 15 meters per second. The average speed of the particle is
Sir, that is T by 2 by T by 2, right?
t by 2 by t by 2. Yeah. It told half the distance is covered with two equal intervals, it told, right?
Yeah.
So you can, I took total is 2t.
Okay.
So easy हो जाएगा बोल के. So average speed find करो. So total distance x by total time taken. इसमें time कितना है? Speed distance by speed. So x by 12 plus हाँ इसका time is 2t, right? इधर से इधर तक
Yeah.
2t. Okay, but t in terms of x में चाहिए. So what is the method I told you? Total distance is how much here?
X by 2.
Is equal to इसका speed time
T by 9 plus
ये
90,
distance है ना
90, 90. Yeah, 90.
plus 15t.
Yeah.
So t कितना होगा? 24.
24 T.
हाँ
X equal to 48 T.
x equal to 48t. T is equal to x by
X
48.
by 48.
Okay, 2t means 2x by 48. This is time taken only in terms of distance वाला.
Yeah.
So x निकल जाएगा 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24.
24.
No solve. Tell answer.
Eight.
Hmm?
8.
Pakka? Yes. It is answer. But without help, we should do.
Yes, sir.
चलो करो. तो इतना क्वेश्चंस किया था आपको, देन तभी उसी दिन में आपको किया क्वेश्चंस किया था, इजी हो जाएगा. करो. An object moves with speed v1, v2, v3 along the straight line AB, BC, and CD. So v1, v2, v3, as shown in figure. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. And AD. AD is 3 times of AB. मतलब this. मतलब all are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
AD is 3 times of AB. AD is 3 times of AB. लिखो 3 times of AB. He's asking average speed. नो करो.
Yeah, 1 minute.
In terms of variables में आएगा आंसर बोलो. So from this statement, what we can AD को I can write as AB plus BC. BC is also AB only. Plus CD is equal to 3AB. So AB plus AB 2AB. उधर गए तो 3AB minus 2AB AB. मतलब indirectly CD is equal to AB only. मतलब all three are equal. X, X, X indirectly. All three distances are equal. Now solve average speed.
Sir, I'm getting a big answer.
Yeah, big answer only. In terms of V1, V2, V3 में आएगा.
Yeah, 3v1 v2 v3 divided by v2 v3 plus v1 v3 plus v3 v2.
इतने अब इतना दिन के बाद आ गया ना परफेक्टली आंसर. यस
Yes.
करो. A car covers AB distance with first third at V1, second one third is V2, and last one third distance is V3. And the given V3 is 3 times of V1, V2 is 2 times, V1 is 11. If V1 is 11, so V2
11
will be how
meter per
much?
second, 22 meter per second, 33 meter per second.
Okay. Now find the average velocity of the car. Total distance को x ले लो. So he told because one third of the distance and second one third of the distance. So 1/3 and third one third of distance. No sir.
Sure, like big multiplication and all.
Perfect number आएगा solve करो.
Yes, one.
So average velocity, total displacement by total time taken.
Sure, I'm getting in decimal.
No, perfect number आएगा. Calculation mistake obviously करेगा ना. Total displacement is how much? X by total time taken is how much? Tell me. Distance by speed, right?
Yeah,
So
x by
X by
v1.
33. V1 is at 11, right?
Yeah,
11 to 33 plus X by 66 plus X by 99. So X cancel हो जाएगा. 1 by कितना 99 है तो कितना होगा 3
3
प्लस
plus 2 plus 1.
नहीं 2 कैसे आएगा नहीं आएगा. हाँ करो एलसीएम ले लो.
Not to 1.
33 66 so 6 33 6 198 is LCM. So 198 ऊपर आ जाएगा by 33 into how much is 198? 6
33 into 6.
plus 66 into 3 plus 99 into 2. So 198 by
11.
11. Hmm. So 198 by 11 is how much? Cancel होगा देखो.
8.
18.
18.
18 average velocity kilometers per hour.
Meter per second.
Meters per second. Meters per second is answer. Okay. So by
Yes.
this complete average velocity, average speed का पूरा क्वेश्चन डन.
Yes.
आप उसका वर्कशीट दिया ना, वर्कशीट का जो भी बेसिस मतलब एवरेज वेलोसिटी एवरेज स्पीड का उसका क्वेश्चंस खत्म कर लो.